In this video, I'm going to show you how to brace your builds with simple knots, and this works incredibly well. I can't believe how strong this is, and I'm excited to tell you guys about it. And it's really thanks to you, because we recently did a video about these rope rollers from a company called Roller Cam, and we kind of talked about the idea of using paracord for bracing builds. And we've mentioned using steel cables and ratchet straps in the past, but we're looking, as always, for easier ways to make builds better. And so we kind of been exploring this idea of paracords, and you guys said to check out a few different knots. So I've got a couple here that you guys recommended that are really awesome. This one here is the taut line, which I like because you can loosen it, and then you've got less tension here, and then you can tighten it really easily, and you add that tension back into it. That one's pretty cool. But a lot of people recommended this trucker's hitch knot, and so I spent the last couple days trying to get my Boy Scout knot tying badge. And as you can see here, we've got the trucker hitch knot, and this one is cool because here it is kind of all finished. And then what's cool about this is you can also take this out, and I can show you here why this is so cool. Is because you add this kind of loop here that you can use for a mechanical advantage, because you take the working end, I learned it's called, of the rope, put it through, get hung up on everything on the desk here, and then fully tighten it. And you can kind of take advantage of this pulley, and as you can see, can add a ton of tension into this until it's really taut. And then you add the other loop here that actually secures this in place. Just go around and then back through, and then pull it tight, and then it holds that tension in place. And then again, of course, you can pull this and then loosen it. But it's really cool, really fast once you learn how to do it. Of course, it takes some time to kind of wrap your head around it, which is, of course, fun. Somebody commented, knots are like good jokes. They're hard to remember whenever you need them. But if you can learn how to do that, not too complicated, it really works really well, and I think is a good way to brace builds. And so, we've been talking about that. We've been talking about the different ways that you would secure this to your build, or the different ropes and things. We've talked about S-hooks. We've highlighted a few times using puzzle piece clamps, which are a top half of a connector that we sell. And something I wanted to mention that I've been doing lately is adding just a short piece of PVC in there, just to kind of give the rope somewhere to kind of sit on top of, as you can see there, just to kind of keep the rope from rubbing against the hardware from the connector, because I think this is something to keep in mind with these other things like the rope roller. We've been seeing the teeth that bite into the rope have also been causing it to fray. You can kind of see here, this is where the rope roller was attached before we had the knot on here. And so, over time, we think this is good for, quickly reinforcing a build, but over time, the same thing that's making it easy is also causing it to mess up. So that's something to keep in mind, and kind of the reason that we added the PVC, just to kind of protect the cord there. And of course, the knots are a great solution instead of those, because it, doesn't really have anything besides the knot touching the cord that would keep it, or cause it to fray. And something else somebody recommended on that video was using this really strong and durable cord from a company called Lawson Equipment, which is apparently down in Georgia. Just a guy has a shop, and this is kind of a really strong and reinforced paracord that is low stretch and has a stronger sheath on the outside, which will do better to kind of protect it and keep it from fraying. However you attach it to your build and whichever cord you decide to use, I think it's a really awesome way to brace builds, and you can save money by not getting any of the cams and just using these knots. And it's just crazy. You guys might remember from that other video, this thing was shaken really loose and not really reinforced, but here with just a couple of knots attached in a couple different ways with S-hooks and puzzle piece clamps, this thing is really rigid and strong, and I just can't believe how much strength this adds and how simple it is to do. So definitely wanted to share this with you guys. We're really excited about this. Now we're exploring different ways maybe you could incorporate this into our connector system. We're going to do a follow-up video about that specifically, but definitely want to keep hearing from you guys. Thank you guys for all the comments and all the thoughts that you guys have on this. If you have any more, feel free to leave those down below. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.